What's fascinating is that the merge of the Milky Way and Andromeda will not only lead to new star formations, but also could influence the fate of our solar system. Over time, the gravitational interactions might alter the orbits of planets within our galaxy, possibly leading them into new uncharted territories. As we gaze into the depths of space, we realize that our understanding of the universe continues to evolve. Scientists study these cosmic events to reveal insights into galaxy formation and evolution, piecing together the history of our universe, making sense of its expansive and mysterious nature. The stories told by starlight and cosmic collisions are fundamental to grasping our place in this vast cosmos. This knowledge reminds us of our insignificance yet profound connection to the universe around us, encouraging curiosity and exploration. As we fathom this cosmic dance, it becomes apparent that the beauty of the universe lies not only in its vastness, but also in its intricate interactions. Imagine witnessing the birth of stars as gas clouds collapse, creating brilliant points of light in the dark expanse. This spectacle, born from collision, showcases the delicate balance between chaos and creation. Each moment in this slow-motion event will transform our celestial neighborhood, inviting new questions about the nature of galaxies and the fate awaiting us. Scientists will likely continue to observe, theorize, and refine their understanding of these galactic encounters, bridging gaps in knowledge and inspiring future generations. As the Milky Way and Andromeda draw closer, astronomers anticipate a stunning transformation in the night sky. With a few billion years, the constellations we recognize today may shift dramatically, reshaping the celestial tapestry. Expect stars to intertwine in new ways, their colors blending into a mesmerizing display, perhaps creating regions of vibrant star formation that fill the cosmos with light. The impending merger not only represents a cosmic event, but also serves as a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of our universe. With this knowledge, we can appreciate the interconnectedness of galaxies and the beauty that arises from their interactions, igniting our imagination about what lies ahead. The merging of these two galaxies is a timeless dance, an intricate choreography dictated by the fundamental forces that govern existence. Through studying these cosmic phenomena, we can deepen our understanding of the universe's past, present, and far future. As we look to the future, the potential transformation of our galaxy emphasizes the dynamic nature of the universe. Each collision begets new possibilities, shaping the destinies of countless stars. As the galaxies inevitably weave together, we stand witness to a narrative that unfolds over unimaginable eons. This cosmic convergence serves not just as a transformational event, but as a powerful reminder of our shared journey through time and space, echoing the beauty inherent in celestial change. The clock is ticking for our galaxy. We are on a collision course with destiny. Like this video to authorize your survival, subscribe to the Cryptos Code to watch the stars fall, and comment collision if you're ready for the great merge. Don't be left in the dark.